I want them to put the tongue to see if they feel some bumps. And after, they will have to do the same things that you see with the massage between two fingers, 3 times per day, 3 minutes during 3 days, the rule of 3.
I want to start the evening by thanking Dr. Khaled Al Nuaimi.
Oh,
So
don't
a
mention
big
it.
round of applause. Truly a visionary, and honestly an honor and pleasure to be with you and to partner with you and collaborate. So thank you so much for your vision. It's truly an honor.
Today at Yuxan, it's not another company will do a gala dinner. No, they made their special touch night with a very special design in order to please you. And also, when I said they touched my heart, I felt it in my heart. This amount of love and passion about this great idea, about this great gathering, really it touched my heart.